Welcome to my VMath channel, my dear students. Now we will solve an integral equation type of convolution type equation questions or convolution type of integration equations. Right now, solve y of t equal to t square plus integration over 0 to t y of u into sine of t minus u tu. Right, solution. Given equation is ఏమి ఇచ్చినాను ఇక్కడ y of t equal to t square plus integration over 0 to t y of u into sin t minus u into du. This is the given question. లేదంటే అన్నాను. Now ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాం మనం? Now we can apply convolution theorem here. When we can apply convolution theorem, compulsory ఇంతకుముందు మన జనరల్ ఫామ్ ఏముంది? We have k of x comma t or x minus t టర్మ్లో ఉండాలి. ఇక్కడ x ప్లేస్లో t ఉంది, t ప్లేస్లో u ఉంది. రైట్, t minus u ఉంది. Now we can apply convolution theorem. అకార్డింగ్ టు కన్వల్యూషన్ థియరం ఏమవుతున్నాను, ఇక్కడ y ఆఫ్ u sin t మైనస్ u ఉంటే ఏమవుతుంది? ఇక్కడ sin t అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ yt అవుతుంది స్టార్. అవునా? అంటే ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? దేర్ఫోర్ y ఆఫ్ t ఈక్వల్ టు t స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y ఆఫ్ t స్టార్ ఏమవుతుంది నన్ను ఇక్కడ? sin t. Now we apply Laplace transformation on both sides. According to Laplace transformation, we can write L of y of t equal to L of t square plus ఏమవుతున్నాను ఇక్కడ? L of y of t star sin t. This is the Laplace transformation. Now that equal to L of t square means we can write 2 by p cube. Laplace transformation of x square or t square, it will become 2 by p power to n plus 1. According to that formula we can write 2 by p cube plus L of y of t into ఏమిందన్న sin t కాబట్టి Laplace transformation of sin t, that equal to 2 by p cube plus L of y of t, Laplace transformation of y of t. Laplace transformation of sin t is equal to how much? We are already in formula, according to formula 1 by p square plus 1. Now this L of y of t and already LHS we have L of y of t. Bring from RHS to LHS. Right? Why? Because all Laplace transformation terms are one side, non-Laplace transformation terms are another side. That's why we can write here. Left side we have L of y of t minus again L of y of t. Y of t into ఏముంటుందన్న 1 by p square plus 1 equal to 2 by p cube. Now L of y of t కామన్ తీసి ఏమొస్తుందన్న 1 minus 1 by p square plus 1 equal to 2 by p cube. Right? Now therefore L of y of t what is the LCM on here? P square plus 1, P square plus 1 minus 1 equal to 2 by P cube. Now this plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Remaining value is, therefore L of y of t equal to 2 by p square plus 1 into this denominator value will become numerator p square plus 1 divided by p. Here how much now? P square. This is the p cube, I think, right? This is the p cube now, no? Right, p cube. Now therefore L of y of t equal to ఏమవుతుంది నాన్న 2 of p square plus 1 divided by p to the power of 5, that equal to 2 p square by p power 5 plus 2 by p power 5. Now p square here cube 2 cancel అయితే ఏమవుతుంది, remaining p cube value, right? Now that equal to 2 by p cube plus 2 by p power 5. This value is how much, Nana? Laplace transformation of y of t. Therefore Laplace transformation of y of t. Now apply inverse Laplace transformation. After inverse Laplace transformation we got here ఎంత వస్తుంది నాన్న? y of t equal to 2 is constant outside, 1 by p cube means we can write t square into p square plus 2 is constant, again 4 by t power 4 by 4 factorial, right? Now therefore y of t equal to, this is the p square 2 factorial. Now this 2 get cancel. 2 ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందన్నా 4 into 3 into 2 means 2 to the 4 3 the 12 అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏం మిగులుతుంది? 12 మిగులుతుంది, రైట్? నౌ y of t is equal to t square plus t power 4 by 12. This is the solution of the given Volterra integral equation. This is the solution of the given Volterra integral equation, convolution type of the Volterra integral equation, right? Thank you my dear students.